Hello and thanks for joining us. Today we'll be talking through the petrol-powered professional lawnmower. With a 500mm cutting width, this mower has no issues being used for large areas, and thanks to the adjustable cutting deck, it's perfect for restoring overgrown lawns. It also collects and compresses mowed grass into this handy collection box, making it easy to dispose of garden waste and keep your workspace tidy. When using the lawnmower, we advise that you wear full PPE. This includes safety gloves, goggles, ear defenders and steel toe cap work boots. HSS does not supply fuel, but petrol cans and PPE can be purchased at checkout. Before using the mower, you should remove any potential obstructions such as large sticks, stones and broken glass from the area you intend to work. Once done, set the machine on firm level ground, check the oil and fuel levels and familiarise yourself with the controls. To set the mower up, you'll need to adjust the handle to the correct working height, then set the mower to the required cutting height. This is done by using the adjustment levers on each wheel. If your model comes with a safety pin, then make sure this is put back in place. You should also make sure that the height of the front and the rear wheels are set to the same size. Next, fit the grass box, making sure it is securely hooked in place. If the machine has a rubber pump by the carburetor, pump it in and out a few times to prime the system. This mower has an operator present lever, otherwise known as an OPL. This is a safety cut-off switch and you'll need to hold it against the handle when starting the engine and use the mower. The machine will cut out if it is released. With the OPL pulled into the handlebar, give the engine cord a few pulls until the engine starts. Let the engine warm up for a few minutes. To start mowing, simply move the mower forwards, keeping your feet clear of its body and cutters. For the best results, cut in a straight line, tackling the lawn in overlapping strips. If mowing long grass, start with the mower set to the maximum cutting height, then re-mow several times if necessary, gradually reducing the cutting height at each pass until satisfied. Be mindful of your footing and work across the face of any slopes rather than up and down. If the mower strikes a stone or something similar, turn the engine off, wait for any moving parts to come to a standstill, and carefully inspect the blade for any damage. If in doubt, contact your local HSS hire for advice. We advise that you empty the grass box at frequent intervals, but make sure to switch the power off first and wait for any moving parts to stop. Then simply unhook the box, empty it at an appropriate location and refit. Should you need to stop the mower in an emergency, simply release the OPL lever. If you want to learn more about the petrol powered mower or see our full range of tools and equipment, visit hss.com today.